Took this trade in the D period. I like when you can see how it broke that or swept that C low and the B low, and that's the VWAP there, the dash yellow line. And then the POC looking line is actually a previous POC, but I'm paying more attention to the fact that it swept the B and the C, and we hit the VWAP. That's a session VWAP, not the RTH VWAP. I wouldn't want to see any more extension to the downside. I was a little bit leery of this. I only put 2 in there. I should have put 2 more in when we pulled back to that VWAP right in here somewhere. You can see how the C period came up to that overnight. I have that highlighted, the overnight POC, and it's kind of also the high there. So I thought one of two things: either that was it, and they're going to start, moving down. What you had to open is that the orange dash line there, and then maybe looking for the overnight low. Or the other thing would be that we want to clean that, at least go through that POC and that high from yesterday. So I just kind of, with the profiles lined up like this, I wasn't super confident. So I stuck with the 2. My first target would be that settlement area, which is also the POC. The settlement's that green dash line from yesterday. And obviously the POC is there on the right. That lines up pretty good with my initial 27 ticks. So anything in that area I'd be happy with. You can see how it's not, taking off the way I would like. So it seems a little indecisive. So, the same reason I didn't add contracts, looking at that area, that POC area. So I'm not totally committed here, I guess. That's the first area I'd be looking. The second area I would look is if we can, like I said, actually get through that high from yesterday and get through that overnight POC, which is right there at that C high. They kind of line right up. I would look in the next time frame, if we were going to keep going up from this D period, it would, and I think that's actually what it did is it came up and then E period come down, and then, we just single time framed up a little bit farther. There I took my first contract at that POC area. Like I said, this is sped up twice as fast, so you have to imagine everything was a little bit slower. Just getting into that area, I thought it was smart to take that first contract. That's the area that I'm looking for the second one. I thought we got so close to that POC and that high from yesterday that they would want to clean that up. Not necessarily that we were going to move higher than that. Just they would want to check, which is what they ended up doing, and then they turned it around and single time framed quite a bit lower. You can see how quickly I moved to, covering that trade too, because that same thing where I didn't feel that comfortable. And any sign of this letting go, I would have closed this trade. Right there's the 40 ticks. As we get up there, I close it right there. But then, like I said, the E period did pull back and then push through there, but it wasn't worth the few extra ticks for me to wait and see what happens with, one extra contract.